most dating starts these days on the internet. So the first time that you get together with somebody, that first date, is also the first time that you lay eyes on them. So whatever communication you've had online, maybe even on the phone, by text, you don't really know what you're dealing with or how how you're gonna connect to this person once you meet them in the flesh. So from my perspective, the smartest date for a first date is a 30-minute meet and greet over coffee, tea, ice cream, a sandwich, something like that. 30 to 45 minutes max. And I'm going to tell you why that is the best approach in the next 7 minutes. This is Deb Cooper on the 7-Minute Lessons on Life and Love. Coming right up. Yeah, I like, I know that people are talking about this sugaring thing, that you're not supposed to, that you shouldn't accept a coffee date. A man should take you out to dinner and this and that, this and that. And I'm going to tell you something. I don't associate my value with a date. I associate my value with the time that I spend. If I invest time with you, that means that you're worth something. Because my Deb's time is valuable. Do you know how much shit I have going on? I don't even have time to do everything that I want to do for myself. I'm supposed to be finishing this book about the college girls and stuff. My goal was to do it over the winter break, but I got sick, and so that didn't happen. And, I have a lot of things, creative things, exciting things going on in my life. So if I'm giving you a block of my time, that means you're valuable to me. I'm only going to give you a little bit of it going in the door because I don't know if you're valuable to me or not. So a coffee date sits at 30 minutes, I'm in and out. I get to see you, we exchange a few words, and then if it's good, we'll make plans to do something else another day. But right now, that's the end of it. 30 minutes, I'm out. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye. So I'm not going to invest in a whole bunch of time. I don't want to be stuck nowhere for 2 hours having dinner with your ass. I don't want to do that. And it's on the first date. We're going to meet, we're going to have coffee or a sandwich lunch or at Subway, or we're going to do something where I can be in and out 30, 45 minutes. I'm not trying to give you some stranger a whole bunch of time. So you guys, these are women who they don't have any value on their time. Their value is placed on what this guy buys them and how much money he spends on them. My time, I decide the value of my time, and my time is worth hundreds of dollars an hour, and I'm not spending it having dinner with a nignog that I don't know. Now, if I decide I like you and I want to spend 2 hours with you lingering over a meal or something, well, then we'll do that later. But right now, you got 30 minutes, 45 max, and then I got to go. And that's just the way it is. And I love coffee, so, man, I could drink coffee 24 hours a day. I have to stop, though. My doctor told me to stop and cut back only on 1 cup a day. But, I just wanted to put that out there because, people have criticized me about that. Saying that, women should, he should take us out, or he should spend his money, and he should do this, and I'm not going if you don't do this and that. And you have every right to have that attitude if you want to. But see, I feel like my time is worth more than any little funky dinner. And so I don't care about that. If I want something fancy, I can call DoorDash, or I can get in my car and drive over to the place and buy it myself. I don't do that. But my time I can't get my time back. That's one thing that once it's gone, it's gone. You can make more money. You can't make more time, okay? Because that time is it. Your time on this planet is finite, okay? And I want to decide who I spend it with and how much of it I give to certain people. So I'm not going on to keep hooking myself to no 2-hour dinner date with some knucklehead that I don't know. I'm not doing that. And it has nothing to do with my value of myself because I know I'm the shit. And that's just the way it is. So I just want to explain that, and thank you, whoever sent me this meme, for giving me that opportunity. Because it's something that, has been discussed multiple times, and people was like not understanding where I was coming from with that.